everybody? I'm here today to show you and tell you how to change the time on a Fitbit Charge 4. I'll be going over some easy instructions to get this job done. Let's get right into the video. So right now, as you can see, on my Fitbit Charge 4, it says 10:40 p.m., which is the current time right now. And yes, I am this amped up at this time at night. That's just how I live, baby. So let's get right into it. We're gonna go into the Fitbit app. Okay, now from the Fitbit app, you want to tap your profile picture on the top left corner. Now from here, what we're going to do is we're going to actually adjust the time zone within the Fitbit app, and I'll tell you why, okay? Your Fitbit tracker, your Fitbit device, your Charge 4, as the one that we're talking about, it picks up the time from the app, from the Fitbit app. So in order to do that, we're going to go into app settings. So click app settings right there. You can see we're in app settings. Now, there's a few options here. Automatic time zone is turned on. Then we can select the time zone. Automatic location, in my case, is turned off. Select location in Canada, represent, that's where I live. Start the week on Sunday, and then units, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn off the automatic time zone. So I'm turning off the automatic time zone, and that now allows us to choose a time zone. This was grayed out before, but now we can select the time zone. So remember, it says 10:41 right now on my Fitbit Charge 4. We're gonna select the time zone. Just like I live in Toronto, represent, Toronto, Ontario, in Canada, represent. If you ever see me driving around town, just shout out, hey man, what's going on? Anyways, so that's GMT -5. We're gonna go to GMT -4 just to change it for this video, okay? So we're gonna go to Campo Grande, GMT -4. Click that right there. Okay, now all that we need to do is sync our device. So go back here. I'm gonna click Charge 4, okay? And then I'm gonna sync now. So remember, right? 10:42. I'm gonna click sync now. It's gonna sync. It should only take a few seconds, okay? Check this out. Check this out. So it just synced right now, okay? And look at that, it changed the time to 11:42. Literally that simple. And then obviously you can change to whatever time you need. So now that I'm done this video, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna change it back, obviously, to my local time. But I just wanted to show you how to change the time on your Fitbit Charge 4. It's actually really easy, but you do have to sort of understand how it works. But it's really easy once you understand how it works. It's just a few simple steps of selecting a new time zone and then syncing your device. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.